Hi children, welcome back. This is the first lesson of the Navodaya lessons, and today we will discuss the very important topic that is simple interest. Okay, in this lesson at least one question will become in the entrance examinations. Okay, so simple interest consists of only one formula, that is SI. The SI means simple interest. SI is equal to P T R by 100. This is the main formula of the simple interest. And let us see the what is the abbreviation of the P T R. I will discuss. Okay, I will tell you. Now let us see the what is the P. P is called principal. Okay, what is principal? If you want money, sometimes you will go to bank for loan. The money which gives to us is called principal. Some amount he gives some amount, that is called principal. Okay. For example, if you take 1,000 rupees from the bank, it is called principal. Okay. Now, what is T? T is called time. Time may be 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. If you take money, you have to give principal and also interest. Okay, principal plus interest is called amount. Amount you have to give to you have to pay the money to the bank. That is called amount. So how much time you will take, that is called time. Okay. Now what is? Let us see the R. What is R? R is rate of interest. Rate. Rate of interest is nothing but rate means it is regarding like as a percent per 100 means it is called percent. Okay, rate of interest may be 4%, 6%, 8% like that way. 12% means 1 rupee. Okay. Now percent per year or percent per annum is called rate. Now what is let us see the interest. What is interest? I means interest. If we borrow some money from bank, then we call the person who borrowed the money is called borrower. If you take some money from the bank, you have to pay some charges to the bank irrespective of principal. That extra amount is called interest. Okay, interest. Now there is a formula for finding the interest, that is called PTR by 100. Here P is called principal, T is time, and R is rate of interest, and 100. Okay, this is numeral. Now let us see some examples regarding the principle of regarding the interest. Then you can understand very nicely. I will give some simple problem first. I request all of you, please note the question and answers. What is the simple interest on rupees 500 at 2% per annum for 4 years? This is the basic question. Now I will read it 1 second. What is the simple interest on rupees 500 at 2% per annum for 4 years? First we have to write the data. Then we have to substitute the data in formula. Then after that we will simplify that formula, we will get answer. What is the data here? Let us see. What is the simple interest on rupees 500? So rupees 500 is called principal. So what is P here? P is 500 rupees. Now 2%. Percent means I already told you that this is rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? R is equal to 2%. Okay. Now what is the time here? 4 years. T is equal to 4 years. Now we have to find the simple interest. So what is the formula of simple interest? Simple interest is equal to P T R by 100. Now substitute the values of P T R. P is 500, T is 4, rate of interest is 2 by 100, and we have to use the cancellation method. Here 2 zeros are there, here also 2 zeros, and cancel 2 zeros. Now multiply the numerators. 5 into 4, 5 4 is 20, 22 is 40. So 40 rupees is called interest. If you want to find the amount, so amount, there is a formula, amount is equal to P plus I. So what is P here? 500. What is interest? 40. So total is 540. So this means after 4 years at the rate of 2% interest, if you take 500 rupees from the bank, we have to give 540 rupees to the bank. So the extra 40 rupees is called interest. So this is the bank is doing business. So we take some extra money. That extra money is called interest. So we have to pay the principal, at the same time also we have to give the interest also to the bank. That interest plus principal is called amount. Okay. So note this first question. After that I will tell some more questions. Next example. Before that, I will tell some clues regarding this formula. Interest is equal to PTR by 100. Sometimes he gives principal, time and interest. Find the rate of interest. That is one formula. Sometimes he gives time, rate of interest and interest. We have to find the principal. Okay, we will establish some more formulas by using this formula. That is I is equal to PTR by 100. If you want to P is equal to 100 into I by TR. This is one formula. Then T is equal to 100 into I by PR. Next, R is equal to 100 into I by PT. Just I interchange the PTR. If you want to interest, use this formula. If you want to find the principal, use 100 I by TR. If you want to find the time, 100 into I by P into R. If you want to find the rate of interest, 100 into I by P into T. Understand? Now, note this formulas. Now this is the one more model, second model. Second model question. Which is the rate of interest for rupees 2500 at simple interest to become 3300 in 4 years. Note the problem first. First we have to, what you have to find in this question? Which is the rate of interest? We have to find the rate of interest here. R is not given in this question, and time also given in this question. 4 years. Okay. What is the principal here? 2500, and it becomes 3300. Okay. Now here P is equal to 2500. Okay. Time is equal to 4 years. Okay. What is interest here? Interest is equal to, we have to subtract the 3300 minus 2050. 3300 minus 2500. It is 800. Okay. Interest is 800 rupees. Now we have to find the R. R is equal to how much? I already told that. What is the direct formula for R? R is equal to 100 into I by PT. Okay. 100 into I means interest 800 by P is 2500. Time means 4. Now we have to do the cancellation. Here 2 zeros are there. Here 2 zeros. Cancel the 2 zeros. Or cancel 2 zeros from me. No problem. Okay. 4 ones, 4 twos. 25 ones, 25 fours. What is the values in numerator? 4 into 2, 8. So 8%. 8%. Rate of interest is 8%. Okay? Note it. This is the one of the mode, second mode. I will go 2 more models regarding the simple interest. One more question I will write. Next thought. In what time rupees 4250 amounts to rupees 5610 at the rate 8% per annum. This is the question. Now observe keenly the question. What you have to find in this question? In what time? We have to find the time here. He gives principal, and this principal rise to amount 5,610. The amount he pays the bank is 5,610. So what is interest? We have to subtract the 5,610 to 4,250. We will get interest. Here rate of interest is 8%. Per annum means 1 year. Annum means year. Okay. Now write the data. Every working problem you have to write the data. That is very important thing. P is equal to, what is P? 4,250. Okay. And the amount, the amounts A is equal to 5,610. What is interest? A is equal to 5,610 minus 4,250. 0. 11 minus 5, 6. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 minus 4, 1. This is I. Now, what is R? R is equal to 8%. P is equal to 4,250. Okay. Now, what is time formula? T is equal to 100 into I by P R. There are four letters here. T, P, R, I. In these 4 items, if you know the 3 items, you can find the 4th item. Okay. Now substitute the values in this question, in this formula. 100 into I means 1360 by P. What is P? 4,250 into R 8. Okay. Now simplify this. Now cancellation. 0 cancel. Okay. 25 table. Here we can cancel 25 table. 25 fours. 25 for 100 it will take 4 times 400. 4 16. Okay. And in 25 70. Now cancel in this 2 table. 4 2s. Cancel the 2 table again in this. 2 6 12. 2 8s. 17s. 17 table you can cancel. 17 I think 4s. 17 4s. 4 7s 28. 4 1s 4 2 6. 17 1s 17 4s. So we got 4. Time is 4 years. Okay. Okay. So okay, in this lesson we have to remember the main formula, that is simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. By using that formula we can find time, rate of interest, principals by interchanging letters, and main thing you have to learn is simplification, cancellation. Cancellation is very important. You have to practice this number of problems cancellations. If you do the cancellation perfectly, then only you will get the answer. So this is the simple brief explanation about the simple interest, which comes at least one problem in Navodaya examination. Not only Navodaya, in our 6th class test also there is interest, simple interest topic, and practice some more problems in your test book. Then we will get very good knowledge about the simple interest, and you can easily answer any question regarding the simple interest. And thank you very much for listening this lesson. Thank you.